shit. She's mad zoomed. Like settlement. Beautiful coconut water.
Alright, so I've been getting DMs. What are you gonna do about the Skyline tube front? What's the new car gonna be? Are you gonna get a new car? Are you gonna fix the Skyline? And honestly, we got in the wreck and I was like, fuck, I've worked so hard to get this car and I had it and it was mine and maybe it just wasn't meant to be. It got totaled, whatever. And I've been thinking like I should probably just move on maybe a little bit from that kind of car. So the insurance money came through, got a pretty hefty sum, and I put a down payment on a new car. Some people might be hyped on it, some people might not be so hyped on it. Just make sure you stick around for this, like the rest of this video, because we're gonna be showing you like all the really sick things about the car, like things that would never have been able to be like a possibility in like a 1990s, 80s car. So without further ado, the car's sitting right over there. It's a 2018 Nissan Altima. So here she is. Yeah, I don't really know much about it yet. Drives straight, power steering. Oh, also, what about this puppy?
Since that insurance money hit, you know, we were really frustrated with this Corolla. Kat's been, you know, it's supposed to be her daily, but I've just been driving her to work every day because it won't charge. So I figured, we'll just buy her another one. So this one's an 83. I think it's got a 4 AC in it.
It's got less rust.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah.
This is my new Nissan. I traded my old outdated Nissan for this one. Look at that interior. Fucking money. Hop in. One of the sickest things about this car, over there. Oh,
damn, bro. Look at that.
My car right there. See that shit?
It's like a video game, dude.
Yeah, when I'm driving down the street, all I have to do is look at that little screen. And dude,
seat belts?
Yeah, what the hell?
The Skyline didn't have that.
Also, I'm on the wrong side of the car, which is weird, but
does that actually kind of feel weird?
Yeah, I've been kind of like wandering in the lane.
That's funny.
And I've also been doing this.
Oh, it's for the signal?
Yeah. There's a lot of amenities on this car that no car I've ever had has. It's got brights, which is crazy.
Yeah, high beams.
High beams, yeah.
It's got like lane detector guys. It tells you when there's a car next to you.
Yeah, it goes beep, 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 beep if I'm getting too close to a car or whatever. I'm pretty sure it probably has cruise control, which is crazy.
Buttons on the steering wheel?
Yeah, what? That's crazy.
It's like an F1 car, dude.
I was looking for the paddle shifters, but I ain't got none.
It's got a Nintendo DS.
Oh, I forgot my wallet.
Oh, shit.
I should probably get that.
Yeah. Look at that old piece of shit going by. Glad we don't drive one of those.
Did you see me just roll over that curb?
Yeah, dude, blasted. Fuck a speed bump, dude. We're taking jumps in this thing.
Yeah.
While Quentin's running inside to grab his wallet, I think I'm just gonna burn my ass off. Another thing about, you know, like sometimes you're sitting in a car, you're cruising down the road and you're like, it's hot, it's stuffy, like you gotta fucking breathe, you know? And you're like, fuck, dude, how do I get some fresh air? And you look around the car and then you just go, hey. What's up, dog? What? Just go straight into that cinder block.
Probably would let me. This thing sucks, dude. I'm returning it in a couple days.
Oh shit. Yeah, also, we're basically sea captains with this mirror. South? I know what south means.
Hey, that's crazy. I've never seen that before. Also, the heat warms up so fast. The car's not even warmed up.
Dude, my asshole is, I mean, my butt cheeks are fucking toasty right now.
Yeah, look at this, dude. We can just
60.
You want to be
turn it just
82 degrees up in here?
We can do anything we want in this car. Alright, we're gonna get on the freeway real quick and do some quick polls.
Yeah, we're about to hit this on ramp, dude. Let's see how much we can talk while we're doing a poll.
Oh.
Might we be able to hear each other?
Oh, those brakes, dude. What is it, carbon ceramics?
Amazing.
Holy shit.
No squeaks, no squeals.
No big deals, bro.
Getting the hang of this left-hand drive thing.
Yeah, that's some, you know, every new car's got something you gotta get used to.
Oh, dude, he's going so slow. Oh my god, look at the big ass semi.
Trying to get mashed on. Oh, bro, the G's, dog.
Foot to the floor.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're puffing smoke out there.
Yeah, the car's still not warmed up.
Oh, she's warmed up now. Getting a call. Hello?
Why?
Why did I buy a Nissan Altima?
Yeah.
Because this shit is sick, dude. It's got heated seated.
Oh shit, Way?
Yeah, dude, we're driving on the freeway right now and I can hear you on the phone.
That Beast, what year is it?
2018.
Wait, what the fuck?
Yeah, dog.
Are you trolling me right now?
No.
Why would we ever troll anybody?
I've been.
You guys are trolling me so fucking hard.
Dude, I'm serious. I've just.
I need to see a pic. Did you get your money from the insurance?
Yeah, and I put a down payment on this car.
Why?
Because I have a Corolla. I wanted a car that I could actually drive around.
True. So wait. So how much did they give you?
I shouldn't. We're on camera. I shouldn't disclose that information.
Oh. All right. Yeah. Don't disclose that. We'll find out about that later.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna see your picture because I don't fucking believe you right now.
Okay.
At all.
I'll send you a photo.
All right. I'll be back on Monday night.
Okay. Were you trying to get one of us to like pick you up or something?
Nah. You guys are fucked. You don't want to pick me up.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I'll send you a
Alright.
pic of the new whip.
Yeah. Send me a picture because yeah. All right. Later.
Peace.
That might be a good segue to
Yeah.
back to reality.
If you haven't put it together yet, this is the rental car. Auto adjuster guy hasn't come out and checked out my Skyline yet, so that should be like on Monday or something. And then he said we should have a deal towards the end of that week. So we got a little whiles yet. For now, I got this whip, so we just thought we'd pull a little prank.
Pull a
on
little
you guys.
goof, a little gaff,
Yeah.
a little laugh on you.
Hopefully, we don't lose too many subscribers.
Yeah. No, genuinely though, this car is nice as fuck.
Yeah, we were talking about it. It's like, really, would it be like a bad idea?
Yeah, like if we legit bought like a nice car, like it wouldn't even.
Yeah, something we could just drive around. And like, just having old cars, like if you have one, you know, sometimes just doing like menial day-to-day things is kind of a bummer. Like if your car ain't cutting it.
Like,
and we drive down to like where we used to live quite a bit too, so
yeah, we do a
rapping down the freeway at 75 miles an hour isn't the best in like an 80s shitbox.
Yeah.
It's not raining. Accidentally turned on the windshield wiper.
Not a squeak in sight.
You can just let these run.
Yeah,
For fun.
no repercussions. Crawl.
Tire put
I'll just tire yeeted itself. Is this thing turbo, dude? It pulls like it is, I swear. That must have been at least 45 miles an hour. Oh, we're literally only going 45 miles an hour. So that was probably 35. Damn, look how much leg room I got, dude.
Where should we?
Alright, we're gonna hit some bumpy roads and some speed bumps and show you just how beautiful and cushy and comfy this car is.
Yeah, we're joking about all this, but this is honestly nice to drive. I'm chilling. My ass is warm. My torso is not incredibly hot.
A shining review. You wouldn't believe the 2018 Altima. Your torso will be so tempted.
But your ass so toasted.
This stretch of brick road right here,
If we're in DJ's Civic right now,
I'd lose a filling.
I'm like in the back seat right now. My glasses are in like outside. This bump right here. Oh, crazy shit.
We'd in the Civic at this speed, we'd be dead by now.
Yeah. What up?
Damn, these sick jams, bro. Is this Bose? Is this? Yeah, this car's pretty sick, but honestly, a lot of the other cars on the road are just fucking trash, dog. Legendary pothole coming up.
Yep, coming into our driveway pretty much.
Oh god.
Big ass dip in the
Oh
road
no,
right
god, oh no, god. I don't know what you're talking about.
here. What am I talking
They must have
about?
repaved it. Damn, that's nuts.
Another sick feature is the Bluetooth.
Yeah, I'm trying to connect real quick.
The system is searching for your phone.
Got it. I love this car.
DJ smells bad.
I fucking hate this car. What the hell?
So that pretty much ends the driving portion of our review. The 2018 Nissan Altima. Probably like a button for me to pop the trunk.
How about you just say it? I mean, Altima, open trunk. Oh, it worked. Ooh. Damn, what the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? We could both sleep in there, dude. That is so big. You could, here, scoot all the way back. Quentin takes up like a quarter of this trunk. What the fuck?
Here, take this. Shut the trunk on me. There's probably one of those.
Yeah, it's right there.
If I get if I kidnap someone, they could get out.
Is this glow in the dark? It looks glow in the dark. That is the biggest trunk, dude.
It is.
We could fit
crazy.
Josh's Miata in there.
And the back seat is big too.
Yeah, I don't know how they've got so much room in this thing.
Magic.
That's sick. That's a big hot dog. Yeah, there's some scrub woofers in here that be bumpstin'.
But yeah, this is just the rental car. Like I said, the Skyline is waiting to get like appraised, basically, is what's happening. And then they're gonna figure out how much they want to give me for it. Almost positive it's gonna get totaled, but I do plan on buying it back if they total it out. So, probably gonna do it for this video. Maybe we should tell them why that's in the driveway.
Oh yeah. So just some homies from Canada came down and bought Corolla, and they, due to some like custom stuff, they just needed somewhere to put it for a few days before they could take it across the border, and so we just lent them our driveway.
Parked up right next to the Cash Corolla.
Yeah, they said, where do you want us to park it? I said, right next to that other Corolla.
That's gonna do it for this vid.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for more info on the whole Skyline situation. DJ got some money also.
Yeah, so who knows what's gonna happen there.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks again to everyone who's been supporting, buying merch, becoming new patron members and everything, and just watching the video. The Skyline video has like 80K views now, so that's dope. That really helps us out a ton.
Oh yeah.
So we appreciate you again, as always. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy cam. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Ooh, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a water paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo